Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to change double tap skip seconds on YouTube. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your YouTube application. Then you want to click on your profile picture on the bottom right side. Then you want to go and click on this cogwheel icon on the top right side. Then you want to scroll down till you find here video and audio preferences. Click on playback option. Then here you can see here double tap to seek. You just have to tap on it. Then you can choose the time that you want the double tap to do or skip forward or backward the seconds. You can choose between 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. If you cannot find it with this name, you can find it with a name called skip forward and backward. And now let me check. I will go and open one video. I will go and click on 20 seconds. Then I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to open any video. Let's say this video, for example. Then now when I open the video and do skipping, it will skip by 20 seconds instead of 10 seconds, as you can see. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.